Good evening, everybody. We welcome Sushma Madam Garu to come on to the dais and honor. Congratulations, Madam. Congratulations to all the IIT administrators and all for today's JEE Advanced Results of 2024. We have a record break victory, and along with a first rank, All India first rank, Sri Chaitanya has secured in open category at All India level 4th rank, 5th rank, 6th rank, 9th rank and 10th rank. And Sushma Madam Garu addresses the gathering and gives a report about this result.
So good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. First, let me start by congratulating all Sri Chaitanya students, faculty, administrators, and our amazingly supportive parents who are all here today and who could not make it here, to all the students and parents. It's been an amazing 2 years for us at Sri Chaitanya, with different academic successes at each and every point as we move forward. Thank you all for your contribution, for your support, and for working hard with us to achieve a common goal. I think that is extremely important, to work towards a unified goal, and we are able to do that. Ivala Advanced Results 2024 published chesaru. Ee year advanced exam IIT Chennai conduct chesindi. Ee exam is a 6-hour exam, 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon. Each subject lo, each paper lo 17 questions icharu. The model is similar to the 2023 model. And our model of questions is single objective. There are multiple correct answers, comprehension questions, and there are numerical questions. So similar pattern as last year has continued. I think 51 questions in paper 1 and 51 questions in paper 2. All the students have answered. Ee paper lo mainly chemistry was the most difficult and deciding factor for students. Physics and maths lo konni questions were lengthy. Physics paper was okay. Chemistry paper is where students have found it slightly difficult in every range. So dani moolana manam ippudu qualifying advanced cutoff chusina, below 1000 chusina, prati cutoff 15 marks marindi. So if we look at it, I think below 1000, year 233 is the cutoff mark, which is 64%. When we compare it to last year cutoff mark was about 218. So 15 marks improvement in cutoff has happened. Atla below 100 year, surprisingly, it's a very high cutoff of 300 marks. Last year it was at 285. 300 marks and 83% ki 100th rank ochindandi. So you can see the competition, how it's building up every single year, how the students are learning more and more, and their maturity level in applying the concept and solving questions is increasing phenomenally. And below 10, this year the cutoff is 329 marks, which is 91%. That also has gone up by 7 marks from last year. So total advanced performance, this is our analysis. And papers ala unna ivala students Sri Chaitanyalo physics lo we have a highest mark of 118 out of 120. So 120 marks ki 118 is the highest mark, and so many students have crossed 110 marks and 100 marks in physics. Atlage mathematics lo kuda 116 is the highest mark out of 120, I think, which is exceptional given the quality of the paper and few lengthy questions that were asked. Chemistry 112 is the highest mark even when the paper is very difficult. So I think that gives an edge to our students, and that is why we see ఐదుగురు పిల్లలు below 10 రావటానికి ఇవాళ ఆల్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో కంట్రీలో I think that is the contribution. ఈ ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్లోనూ హైయెస్ట్ మార్క్స్ రాగలుగుతున్నారు కాబట్టి టోటల్ they are able to do. So ఈ advanced exam about 1.8 lakh students have taken the exam, and 30% marks is the cutoff for qualifying to get into any IIT. So coming to Sri Chaitanya result today, as we have announced, first rank Raghav Sharma to patu All India Open category lo. We have 4th rank from Rhythm Kedia with 337 marks. We have 5th rank from Kushal with 334 marks. And then Rajdeep Mishra at 6th rank with 333 marks. And then we have Dhruvin and Suhas, both of them at 329 marks. The anta narrow ga unnai as we go from 5 to 10 ranks anedi. So this year, last year goda, if you look at it, we have first, second, third, fourth and 7th ranks in Sri Chaitanya. 5 ranks contribution last year only. Year we are able to continue that, and hopefully next year's quota we will plan for it and will work with the students. Aithe prati year consistent ga ee rakamaina result ela vastandi, not just the below 10. For below 100 goda we have a very good number, and below 1000 we're extremely happy. For last month April lo mains exam lo kuda below 1000 in Sri Chaitanya was extremely high. Right, it's phenomenal number. If advanced lo kuda we are seeing similar numbers, and that makes me extremely proud and happy, because every campus, every branch of Sri Chaitanya is working towards developing students below 1000 ranks penchukotaniki try chestunaru. And unna students to 2 years long program, kontamandi pillalu ma techno school pillalu continue avutunnaru, and kontamandi 11th lo join aina pillalto kuda below 1000 kani number perigite definitely పిల్లలకు ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, బెటర్ యూనివర్సిటీస్కి వెళ్తారు, and that is our goal. డాక్టర్ గారు ఇనీషియల్లీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది కూడా ఆల్ ఇండియా లెవెల్ ఐఐటీస్ ఎన్ఐటీస్కి మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు పిల్లలు వెళ్ళాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఇప్పుడు అది మొదలైంది ఆ పోరాటం అనేది. ఇవాళ ప్రతి స్టేట్కి స్ప్రెడ్ అయ్యి నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు ఒక్క 2 years ఆగితే ఇదే కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ మీరు ప్రతి స్టేట్ నుంచి చూస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ చండీగఢ్ శ్రీ చైతన్య స్టూడెంట్ హియర్, వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ ముంబై మహారాష్ట్ర స్టేట్ టాపర్ Dhruvin. So he is also here today. So not just the Telugu states. Of course, Telugu states lo manaki eppudu a majority undi. We are the leaders in it, either IIT or NEET, no doubt about it. Aithe prati state nunchi kuda our leadership anedi a contribution, a highest best mark in every state. Future lo Sri Chaitanya nunchi ostandi. Aa rakangane planning jarugutandi. Aa rakangane schools establish ayini prati state lonu. In the last 2-3 years we have established about 300 to 350 schools across the country, new schools. So the target is to reach out to as many students as possible and to have as much talent pool as possible. For branches expand avutanto rendu advantages untayi. Pillallo competition perugutadi, because prati area pillalu andartho compete cheskuntuntaru kabatti inga alert kuntaru. Teachers lo kuda competition perugutundi, because prati state teachers they come with a different mindset kabatti okalkokalu educate chesukovagalaru. Question paper sharing gaani, questions collection, concept teaching lo different new methodologies, ivanni kuda we are able to do due to the expansion plans and expansions that we have in mind. So today in the advanced exam, below 100, below 1000, we are running little late in the result because the servers have been up and down. But so far what we have gathered is looking at a phenomenally high result, higher than last year below 100 contribution and also below 1000 contribution. IIT prepare, ఇప్పుడు ఐఐటీకి గోల్ ఉన్న పిల్లలు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. రేపు 11th, 12th, 9th, 8th అన్ని గ్రేడ్స్ వాళ్ళు దే మస్ట్ బి వండరింగ్ అండ్ లుకింగ్ అట్ దిస్ థింకింగ్, నేను బాగా చేస్తానా, రేపు నేను ఎలా చేస్తాను, నాకు ఎలాంటి ర్యాంక్ వస్తుంది, నేను యూనివర్సిటీకి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో దే హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డ్రీమ్స్, దే హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ గోల్స్ ఇన్ దేర్ మైండ్. I think preparation is divided into several phases. Since we are all here, 10th grade daaka fundamental concepts learning anedi extremely important for every student. A concept anedi correct ga ela nechukuntunnaru, right teacher unnara anedi it's too important andi, because aa age lo mind lo oka aalochana oka concept padinappudu adi tappelte malli correction cheyadam chaala time padutundi. సో ఆ ఫేజ్లో పేరెంట్స్ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి, స్టూడెంట్స్ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ద రైట్ చాయిసెస్. నెక్స్ట్ 11th వచ్చాక there is the initial teaching phase which happens throughout the junior intermediate or 11th grade and 12th grade సగం దాకా, and there is the important revision phase. A revision phase ayaka then we go into the grand test phase. So these are the 3 phases that are very important for our Sri Chaitanya students, and ma curriculum kuda we design accordingly. First time teaching lo etla teach cheyali, ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేయాలి, ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఫోకస్ చేయాలి, ఎంత డెప్త్లోకి వెళ్ళాలనేది ఆ టీచర్స్ హ్యావ్ ద క్లారిటీ. రివిజన్లోకి వచ్చేసరికి మల్టిపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎట్లా ఇవ్వాలి, ఇంకా ఇన్ డెప్త్ ఒలింపియాడ్ లెవెల్ కూడా హౌ టు వర్క్ విత్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. సో స్టూడెంట్ కెన్ థింక్ ఆన్ ద స్పాట్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ దట్ వాజ్ ఆస్క్డ్. ఆ రివిజన్ ఫేస్ అనేది మాకు ఇట్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ అవర్ కరిక్యులమ్ అండ్ సిస్టమ్, because that is when lot of fine tuning will be done. Student thinking capacity will go from 70% to 100% revision phase low, and that is what creates this top 10 top 100 rankers, because that makes a huge difference in the confidence level, subject learning, and also within the time being able to solve the question accurately, because speed is a huge factor in any competitive exam. చివరి మాక్ టెస్ట్లో ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వీ ఎక్స్పోజ్, హౌ ఆర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ సిట్ టుగెదర్, ఆ వర్క్షాప్స్లో ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ జనరేట్ చేస్తారు ప్రతి వర్క్షాప్లోనూ. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ మల్టిపుల్ డిఫరెంట్ వేస్ దే ఆర్ టెస్టెడ్. సో ఈజీగా, మోడరేట్గా, డిఫికల్ట్గా మల్టిపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీద ఏది చేయగలుగుతున్నాను, ఏది చేయలేకపోతున్నాను, ఇది ఎక్కడ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది ఆ క్లారిటీతో దే ఇంప్రూవ్ ఓవర్ అండ్ ఓవర్. And in a competitive exam like advanced or NEET, there is one important factor that a lot of people miss. It's how do we mentor the student. Student subject istam, kani exam 100% accurate ga tana capability ki saripada raayagalagalante pillalni ela mentally tune cheyali, psychological ga pillalki ela support provide cheyali, so they don't feel the stress or the fear of the exam. So a positive mindset for the student. Exam lo kelledappudu a freshness, positive confidence is very important, so they can walk out of the exam feeling I have given it my best shot, I have done it really well. నేను కష్టపడిన దానికి, నేను నేర్చుకున్న దానికి డెఫినెట్లీ జస్టిస్ చేశానన్న ధైర్యంతో స్టూడెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్ నుంచి బయటికి రావాలి. దట్స్ ఆల్ వీ ఆస్క్, irrespective of the capability and potential of the student, right? And that is what we train them for. So our mentoring అనేది it's a 2-year long journey. First day student classroomలోకి అడుగుపెట్టిన దగ్గర నుంచి ఎగ్జామ్ రాసేదాకా it's a continuous process, and because we have a 39-year expertise in this, our teachers, administrators have meticulously been able to implement this year on year, improving systems. And as you know, పిల్లలు కూడా చేంజ్ చాలా వస్తుంది. With every generation there is a change, every 4-5 years there is a change. So we're trying to adapt to all those methods and give the best possible to our students. And అదే కాకుండా ఎగ్జామ్స్, ఎర్రర్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ పోస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రెక్టిఫికేషన్స్. ఎగ్జామ్లో చేసిన తప్పులు టాపిక్, సబ్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఇన్ డెప్త్, ఎంత డెప్త్కి వెళ్ళి రెక్టిఫై చేయగలం, ఎక్కడ తప్పు ఆలోచించాడు ఎగ్జామ్లో, ఎక్కడ స్టూడెంట్ హ్యాస్ థాట్ ఇన్ అ డిఫరెంట్ వే అండ్ గాట్ ఇట్ రాంగ్, ఆర్ బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్కి వెళ్ళాడా. So in the depth lo we go through each and every question in the error analysis and we try to resolve those. I think that is the strength of Sri Chaitanya. The team, the administrative team, faculty who work towards the benefit of the student and who work towards the best result possible from their branches. That is the strength and that is the power of Sri Chaitanya. So from my heart, I would like to thank every faculty member, every administrator in Sri Chaitanya who supported us through this process, and of course our parents and students. Thank you.
I'm happy to achieve this rank, I guess. As for tips for the next batches, I think consistency is key, and you should, if you are consistent with your studies, your study hours don't really matter. I mean, you should be able to complete the syllabus well before time.
Like Vedant said, consistency is key, and even I think that quality is more important than quantity. So if you study for less hours but with full attention, then that will help you more.
So I would like to announce that all our students here who you meet below 10 or below 100, they have always been very keen on Olympiads and they have qualified. India lo multiple Olympiads lo, Math Olympiad దగ్గర నుంచి Science Olympiad దాకా అన్నిట్లో they have participated and they have they were selected in most of the Olympiads. Aithe Suhas, who is our 10th ranker today, who is here today with us, he has an admission in the United States, in California Institute of Technology, Cambridge University from UK, Carnegie Mellon University, which is an extremely good university from United States, Georgia Tech University, and from Imperial College of London, UK. So, students have such high aspirations, and we are extremely happy to support all these aspirations, and of course the parents who are leading this effort and constantly motivating and encouraging these kids to reach even more heights in their life. We should be extremely thankful as a country and nation to have such motivated parents behind us.
Thank you, madam. Now, cake cutting ceremony.